Hello student, this is lecture number 35. In this lecture also we will discuss problems based on multinomial. So first problem of today's lecture is find the number of positive integral solution of the equation 3x plus y plus z is less than or equal to 20. So this problem we have to solve. Now solution. So in this problem we want find the number of positive integral solution of the equation 3x plus y plus z is less than or equal to 20. Okay, so we want solution of this equation. Okay, so equation is 3x plus y plus z is less than or equal to 20. Okay, where x, y, z belongs to positive integer, that is I plus. So we can say that x should be greater than or equal to 1, y should be greater than or equal to 1, and z should be greater than or equal to 1. Okay, and x, y, z is what? Positive integer. Okay, so we have to find out solution of this equation. So we have inequalities here, less than or equal to 20. Okay, so to solve this one we have to use dummy variable. Okay, as we discussed in previous problems, we have to use dummy variable. Okay, so what we will use? We are using dummy variable t. Okay, and t should be what? Greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so in this equation we have to add dummy variable t. So what will come? 3x plus y plus z plus t, and that is equal to 20, where t is what? Greater than or equal to 0. If t is 0, we will get this equation summation is what? 20. If t is what? 1, then this will come out 19. If t is 2, we will get 18. Okay, so like that we will get every solution. So we have to use dummy variable. Okay, where x is greater than or equal to 1, y is greater than or equal to 1, z is greater than or equal to 1, and t is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so we have to find solution of this equation. For finding solution of this equation, we have two methods. Method one is multinomial, second method is distribution of identical. First we are using multinomial. Okay, so method one is multinomial. We want this summation should be 20, where x, y, z and t is what? Integer, in such a way that x is greater than or equal to 1, y is greater than or equal to 1, z is greater than or equal to 1, and t is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so first we are using multinomial. Okay, so according to multinomial, what we will do? First term is what? 3x, and x is what? Greater than or equal to 1, and x is integer. So if you put 1 here, x equal to 1 here, what will come here? 3 will come. So what will get? Alpha cube plus, if you put x value 2 here, what will come here? 6 will come. That will get alpha power 6. If x value is what? 3, then here what will come? 9 will come. So what will get? Alpha power 9. If x value is what? 4, then here what will come? 12 will come. So what will get? Alpha power 12. Okay, and like that we have to put every value. So this will go till infinity, because x is what? Positive integer, in bracket into. Next term is what? Y, and y is what? Greater than or equal to 1, and y is what? Positive integer. Okay, so if you put y equal to 1 here, what will come here? 1 will come. So what will get? Alpha. If you put y value is 2, what will come here? 2 will come. So that will write alpha square. If you put 3 here, y equal to 3, what will come here? 3 will come. So that I will write alpha cube. Similarly, if you put y equal to 4, so what will come here? 4 will come. So that will write alpha power 4. This also continue till infinity. Okay, next term is what? Z. Okay, so z is also greater than or equal to 1, and z is also positive integer. Okay, so if you put z equal to 1 here, what will come? Alpha. So that will write here only. Okay, if you put z equal to 2, what will come? Alpha square. If you put z equal to 3, what will come? Alpha cube. If you put z equal to 4, what will come? Alpha power 4. And like that this also continue. So y and z will get same terms. So what we are doing here? Square we are doing into. Next term is what? T, and t is what? Greater than or equal to 0. If you put t equal to 0, what will come here? 0 will come. So that will write alpha power 0 plus. If you put t equal to 1 here, so what will come here? 1 will come. So that I will write alpha power 1. If you put t equal to 2, what will come here? 2 will come. So that will write alpha square. This also continue till infinity. Okay, so we'll get this equation. We want summation should be 20. So in this equation we have to find out coefficient of alpha power 20. Okay, so in this equation we have to find out coefficient of alpha power 20. So what we will do? This is GP series. First term is what? Alpha cube, and common ratio is what? Alpha cube. So what we will do? This we have to simplify. So what will come? First term is alpha cube divided by 1 minus r. R is what? Alpha cube into. This is also GP series. This also we have to simplify. First term is what? Alpha, and common ratios of alpha. So what will come? Alpha divided by 1 minus r. R is what? Alpha, in bracket. and this is what power is what 2, so what will come square. Okay, and this is also GP series. First term is what alpha power 0, that is 1, and common ratio is what alpha, so what will come 1 divided by 1 minus alpha. Okay, so in this equation we have to find out coefficient of alpha power 20. Okay, so we have to find out coefficient of alpha power 20 in this equation. So here if you see alpha cube, alpha square, so what is alpha power 5. Okay, so we are getting alpha power 5. This we can add what 1 minus alpha cube to the power minus 1. This we can add what 1 minus alpha to the power minus 2, and this we can add what 1 minus alpha to the power minus 1. Okay, so in this equation we want coefficient of alpha power 20. Okay, so this we have to find out. So here we have to find coefficient of alpha power 20 in this equation. Okay, here we have alpha power 5, that means from this equation we want alpha power 15. Okay, so solution of this equation nothing but what, in this equation 1 minus alpha cube to the power minus 1, and this is what 1 minus alpha power minus 2, and this is what 1 minus alpha power minus 1. So this we can add what 1 minus alpha power minus 3. Okay, in this equation we have to find out coefficient of alpha power 15. Okay, so solution of this equation nothing but solution of this equation. Okay, so we have to find out coefficient of alpha power 15 in this equation. So what you will do, this series expansion we know. Okay, so if you expand this one, what will come 1 plus alpha cube plus alpha power 6 plus alpha power 9 plus alpha power 12 plus alpha power 15 plus alpha power 18. Okay, and next term is what alpha power 21. Okay, because we want coefficient of alpha power 15, then we can neglect these two terms. Okay, we have to take term only which is having alpha power 15 or less than alpha power 15. Okay, so we have to take only these terms, so we can neglect these terms. Okay, because these term alpha power 18 will not give coefficient of alpha power 15. Okay, so we can neglect this one, so only we are taking these many terms only. Okay, in bracket. Okay, and this one is what 1 minus alpha to the power minus 3. Okay, so we take this one only. Here we have to find out coefficient of alpha power 15. Okay, now what you will do, 1 minus alpha to the power minus 3, if you multiply inside, so what will come 1 minus alpha to the power minus 3 plus alpha cube into 1 minus alpha to the power minus 3 plus alpha power 6 into 1 minus alpha to the power minus 3 plus alpha power 9 into 1 minus alpha to the power minus 3 plus next is what alpha power 12, so what will come alpha power 12 into 1 minus alpha to the power minus 3 plus last term is what alpha power 15, so what will come alpha power 15 into 1 minus alpha to the power minus 3. Okay, so in this equation we want coefficient of alpha power 15. Okay, so I'm writing directly coefficient of alpha power 15. Okay, so coefficient of alpha power 15. Okay, I'm writing coefficient of alpha power 15 in this equation. For that you have to remember one important point, that is in this equation 1 minus x power minus n. Okay, if you want to find out coefficient of x power r, okay, so what formula you use, n plus r minus 1 cr. Okay, so coefficient of x power r in this equation is nothing but n plus r minus 1 cr. So this formula we have to use in this equation. Okay, so here we want coefficient of alpha power 15. Okay, so in this equation we want coefficient of alpha power 15. So r is what 15, r is 15, n is what 3, so what will come 3 plus 15 minus 1 c 15 plus next term is what alpha power 3. Okay, we want coefficient of alpha power 15, so alpha cube is already there, that means from here we want alpha power 12, so r is what 12, so what will come 3 plus 12 minus 1 c 12 plus here we have alpha power 6, that means from here we want alpha power 9. Okay, if from here if alpha power 9 is will come, then this is what alpha power 6, so total is what alpha power 15, so r is what 9, so what will come 3 plus 9 minus 1 c 9 plus okay, here we have alpha power 9, that means from here we want alpha power 6, so r is what 6, so what will come 3 plus 6 minus 1 c 6 plus here we have alpha power 12, that means from here we want alpha power 3, so r is what 3, so what will come 3 plus 3 minus 1 c 3 plus and here we have alpha power 15. That means from here we want alpha power 0. So r is what? 0. So what will come? 3 plus 0 minus 1, c 0. Okay. So this is nothing but what? Coefficient of alpha power 15. Okay. Now if you simplify this one, what will come? Okay. 15 plus 3 is what? 18. 18 minus 1 is what? 17. So 17 c 15 plus this is what? 12 plus 3 is what? 15. 15 minus 1 is what? 14. So 14 c 12 plus 9 plus 3 is what? 12. 12 minus 1 is what? 11. So 11 c 9 plus 6 plus 3 is what? 9. 9 minus 1 is what? 8. So 8 c 6 plus this one is what? 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is what? 5. So what will come? 5 c 3 plus 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So what will come? 2 c 0. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, you can simplify this one. That is your answer. Now we are finding solution of this equation by using method 2. Method 2 is what? Distribution of n identity into r different group. That we will use here. Okay, so according to problem, we want summation should be 20 and x is greater than equal to 1, y is greater than equal to 1, z is greater than equal to 1 and t is greater than equal to 0. Okay, so what you will do? X is what? Greater than equal to 1. So 1 we are taking left hand side. So what will come? X minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. Similarly, y is greater than equal to 1. So here also 1 we are taking left hand side. So what will come? Y minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. Similarly for z also. So what will come? Z minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. T is as it is greater than equal to 0. Okay. X minus 1 we are taking is A. So A equal to what will come? X minus 1. Similarly y minus 1 we are assuming B. So B equal to what will come? Y minus 1. And Z minus 1 we are taking is what? C. So C equal to what will come? Z minus 1. Okay. So here what will come? A is greater than equal to 0. B is greater than equal to 0. C is greater than equal to 0 and T is greater than equal to 0. Now in this equation x, y and z value we will put from here. Okay. So x is what? A plus 1. So x value if you put here what will come? 3 times A plus 1 plus y value from here what will come? B plus 1. So B plus 1. Okay. Similarly z value from here what will come? C plus 1. If you put here what will come? C plus 1 plus T equal to 20. This will come. Okay. So what will come here? 3A plus B plus C plus T equal to, so here what will come? Plus 3 plus 1 plus 1. So what will come? 5. So 5 if you take this side what will come? 20 minus 5. Okay. So this will come. Now 3A also we are taking in this side. So what will come? B plus C plus T equal to 20 minus 5 is what? 15. So 15 minus 3A. This will come. Okay. So we got this equation B plus C plus T equal to 15 minus 3A, where A is greater than equal to 0, B is greater than equal to 0, C is greater than equal to 0 and T is greater than equal to 0. Okay. If you see here, A is what? Integer. B is also integer, C is also integer, T is also integer. Okay. So A is integer, then 3 is also integer. So 15 minus 3 is also integer. Okay. So this side is what? Integer is coming and B plus C plus T equal to some integer. Okay. So we can say that suppose this integer is what? Some K. Okay. So we want B plus C plus T equal to some K. Okay. And K is what? Integer. So we can say that we have K things. Okay. And we have to distribute K things into 3 groups B, C and T in such a way that B is what? Greater than equal to 0, C is greater than equal to 0, T is greater than equal to 0. So we can say that here blank group is allowed. Okay. So we have to distribute K identity into 3 groups in such a way that blank group is allowed. So what we will do? We have to distribute K identity into 3 groups. Here blank group is allowed. So what will come? K plus, that is K plus, we want to distribute K identity into 3 groups. So what is it? K plus 3 minus 1, C 3 minus 1. Okay. And K is what? 15 minus 3A. So if you put K value here, what will come? 15 minus 3A. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So what will come? Plus 2 C. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So what will come? 2. So if we simplify this one, what will come? 15 plus 2 is what? 17. So what will come? 17 minus 3A C 2. If you simplify this one, what will come? 17 minus 3A into 17 minus 3A minus 1 divided by 2 into 1. This will come. So what will come? 17 minus 3A into 16 minus 3A divided by 2. Now we have to multiply these two. So what will come? 17 into 16. Okay. 17 into minus 3A. So what will come? Minus 51a minus 16 into minus 3a. So what will come? Minus 48a minus 3a minus 3a. So what will come? Plus 9a square divided by 2. This will come. Okay. So we have to simplify this one. So here will come 17 into 16. 17 into 16 is what? 272. Minus 51a minus 48a, that is minus 99a, plus 9a square plus 9a square divided by 2. This will come. Okay, here a is what? Greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now how to find out maximum values of a? We know that this should be what? Either greater than or equal to 0. So we can say that 15 minus 3a should be greater than or equal to 0. So from here 15 is greater than or equal to 3a. So a should be what? Less than or equal to 5. And from here we can say a should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now here we have to find out summation of the series sigma a equal to 0 to 5. Okay. 1 by 2 we can take common. In bracket what will come? 272 minus 99a plus 9a square. Okay. So we have to find out summation of this series. So what will come? 1 by 2. If I take sigma inside, so what will come? 272 is common. Sigma a equal to 0 to 5, 1 minus 99 common. Sigma a equal to 0 to 5, a plus 9 is common. Sigma a equal to 0 to 5, a square. This will come. Okay, now we have to simplify this one. So what will come? 1 by 2, 272. Sigma a equal to 0 to 5, 1. So this is nothing but 6. So into 6 minus 99 is common. Sigma a equal to 0 to 5, a. So this is nothing but summation of natural number 1 to 5. So this will come out 5 into 6 divided by 2 plus 9 is outside. Sigma a equal to 0 to 5, a square. Okay. So this will come out 5 into n plus 1 is at 6 into 11 divided by 6. Okay. Now we have to simplify this one. This is your answer. Okay. So by second method we'll get this answer. We have to simplify this one.